Magay ka muna. Hi! Say hi! Nahilo ko. Oh my God. Hi na lang sa lahat. Hi! John! I cannot see you. There. Yeah, we will go there. Finally, Boracay. Thank you. So, tatlo po yun. Tatlo na. Okay, so it's just 50 pesos. I see the ticket. So yeah, this is for cheap people. Kaya mo dyan pa dalawa? Mama, I want to eat. Go na dyan. Yay! So this is registration and ticketing booth. Thank you. How much? 150 each. We're now going to find tricycle.
Nandito na rin sila, ha?
Kuya, madaming tourist. Sobra. At least buhay na, no? Buhay na naman ang Boracay. Oo nga, sa 29 to 1. Kailan umpisa? Ay, 28 pala. Maabutan namin yung party. Yeah, Jessica. Puyat-puyat kami niya. Putik pa. Probinsya before. No? Nakakatawa. Nakapunta kami dito, kuya, 10 years ago. Yung paumpisa pa lang yung pag-ingay ng Boracay. Yun, nakapunta kami dito. Oo. Tapos ngayon pa lang kami babalik. Ibang iba na sa Sa mga vlogs lang, iba na rin yung tsura eh. We are now in Boracay. So we're now here at Boracay. And we will look for Golden Phoenix. Golden Phoenix Hotel because some of our family members are there. So we're divided into two. So the rest are in Golden Phoenix and the rest is here in Rob and Fred Resort. So later on, I'm gonna tour you around. So, ang dami nang nagbago. Siyempre, marami na nagbago kasi it's been 10 years. 10 years ago na yung huli naming punta. So, malamang marami talagang nagbago. Oh my God! Ayan, we are approaching the beach and I'm excited. Oh my God, nakakamiss naman ire. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh my God, ang nice pa din ng Boracay. Ang ganda ng tubig. Grabe pa din siya. The bluish water. Oh my God. I cannot. So pretty. It's still super pretty. Oh my God, it's so cutie.
Hi, Mom, sir.
Hello. I missed here.
Oh, 1, 2.
Yes! Yes! That is Boracay. It's so nice. I'm still amazed with its beauty. Medyo malumot lang sa area na to. So let's see. This is the Golden Phoenix. This is how it looks like. They have this pool. Okay, so hi everyone. Good day. This is our official day 1. Official day 1 here in Boracay. 10 years ago. So, ang dami na talaga nagbago. Like, super duper mega hyper dami na nagbago. Yeah, we just can't wait to see what else is new here in Boracay. We're super excited. So, hi there. Stay with us. I'm just gonna walk you through because I'm still quite not feeling well. That's why ayan, as you can see, medyo namamaga pa yung face ko.
Plain lang.
That's why I cannot say so much right now.
Yung Boracay.
Ooh, Boracay. So it's really different now. Like before, they don't used to have this. Right? Right. Kasi this is super new. Like having mall inside Boracay. Nakakatawa. That's it. That's it.
Kasi sobrang init ng tanghali.
So I think that's coconut. Ice cream. Oh, that's napasikat nila.
Si ate? Sikat si ate.
Bali, dito lang magdalawa, saka lang.
Yeah, I heard about that one.
Okay.
Like this one is ice cream. I think this is buko pandan and then buko. And it's like red rice, pinipig, mango. Ah, kanina. I like it. Malasa, no? Ang sarap. For just 250, 280. 280, it's worth it na for me.
Malambot din kami.
Right? Ang sarap. Di. Where are they? I wanna watch the sunset. Oh my god.
You have to message them now.
There's the sunset. The ever famous sunset of Boracay. And there's a lot of people. In all stations, there's really a lot. There you are, Jerry's Grill. I hope there is. Yeah, we're finally here at Jerry's Grill and I'm super tired because again, I'm still not feeling well. I'm still sick. But fighting. There's the food. Wow. Shot mo na sa. Na-bless ka na. Where are they? So, hi! Ayan. I've recharged some energy. Talaga ba? So, we will try to look for nightlife in Boracay. Hopefully, we can find some. Hopefully. So, let's see where we can go. What Boracay can offer on our first night here. Di ko maintindihan.
Huwag natin idaan sa mabuting usapan. Iyak mo na lahat sa langit. Iyak mo na lahat sa langit.